Alright everybody, welcome back to another Gear Knives video. So today for you, I've got this old K-bar jackknife that I recently got from the flea market. I said I was going to do a video on it, just cleaning up the tip on it, making it have a tip. And we'll clean up the bolsters a little bit and the back springs. So if you guys want to watch, just stay tuned. So there's the tip I put on it. Don't look too bad. So need to get this sharpened up. It had a pretty good edge on it. Just need the tip. So get an edge put on it, and then I'll clean the blades up a little bit. Okay, so I have it right here, and I got an edge put on it. I just took it over to my sander and got an edge put on it. So now I'm just going to take some steel wool and rub the blade some, just to get some of that dark out of it. So it probably don't look a whole lot different on camera, but you can tell a little bit. So and then now I want to take I think this is 1500 grit sandpaper. Just gonna take those to the bolster. I had it soaking in water. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this sandpaper to the back springs and that brass and just kind of shine it up a little bit. I might have to take this steel wool. Okay, so there you guys go. I don't think I'm going to do any more to it really. Just kind of keep the patina to it. So if you guys like this video, hit the like button. If you guys want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. And if you guys want to see more restoration videos, tell me, and I'll do some. So thanks for watching.